Biodegradable wastes, such as kitchen wastes, pollute the environment. They can affect the environment in so many ways.
Dito sa jail, marami talagang kitchen waste dito. Considering na ang population dito sa loob ay more than 460 or pataas pa. Yung pinagbalatan ng mga gulay, yung pagkaliskis ng mga isda. Meron din pala kami dito ng bakery na nagagamit ng mga eggs.
The use of biodegradable waste as biofertilizers is a practical solution in this problem.
Ang BGMP ay nagkaroon ng memorandum of agreement between the DA-ATI na naglalayon na masolusyonan yung mga kitchen waste para maging kapaki-pakinabang.
Dati po, nung hindi pa po kayo maano dito sa amin, talagang binabasura po namin, pinagtatapon. Ngayon po nandito na po kayo, na alaman namin na pwede siyang gamitin para sa mga tinanim, pwede po namin siyang pagtulong-tulungan na magawang fertilizer po.
To ensure food security and food safety within the community, the PDLs can produce their own biofertilizers such as calcium phosphate, fish amino acids, fermented fruit juice, and fermented plant juice.
We know that in organic agriculture, we have like a closed system where there is no such thing as waste. The waste of one can be an input to another ecosystem, and that's basically what is working on with Iriga City Jail. The persons deprived of liberty, PDLs, would produce their own food through vegetable gardening, and the fertilizers would be from the entrails and the kitchen waste. It would be processed into concoctions and then biofertilizers and sprayed onto the crops. So that way they have healthy and safe vegetables and food items. So thank you for Organic Agriculture Program for that kind of initiative.
Yun nga po ang sabi ko, masayang-masaya ko. Kasi kahit po ako nakakulong, may natutunan po. Yung tinuro po ninyo, madadala ko po sa labas. May ano po ako sa pamilya ko. Sigurado na po kami na yung dito sa loob ng aming pansamantalang tirahan, bali malinis po ang aming kinakain dahil mismo po kami ang gagawa ng mga organic fertilizer.
Ngayon sa ganawang ng pa-training kung paano gumawa ng abono, it means more production sa kanila na sa mga tanim nila.
Food safety is everyone's responsibility. Using the technology on preparing biofertilizers, we at BJMP can produce safe and healthy food sources.